How to delete friends on Monopoly Go. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to delete your friends on Monopoly Go. To begin with, first of all, you want to make sure to open up your Monopoly Go. As logged in, it will directly take you to the home page, which will look something like this. So in order to delete friends, all you need to do is go to the Friends tab from the home page, which is located in the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. And next, you want to go ahead and click on Leaderboard. When you click on Leaderboard, these are the people that you have friends at the moment. So to remove them, you just need to long press onto the profile, click on it, and here you'll be able to find this option as remove. Just click that out, go to their profile, long press onto it, and you'll be able to find this option as remove friend. All you have to do is simply click that out and you'll have successfully deleted friends on Monopoly Go. So this is how you could remove friends. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.